So to kick things off after Dave briefly, he surprised her. He said, "Hey, I'm paying for both of us to take a cruise." And what he found was, I think one of the cruise ships leaving out of Baltimore had some interior berths. They had sold or something, and so they offered him only for $1,400.
Where was the cruise to?
It's out of Baltimore. It goes to the Caribbean, to what is it? Nassau in the Bahamas, and it goes by Bermuda too. I think those two. It's not a huge long cruise, but pretty nice on a nice ship. And so the only thing is, it's an interior room because it's way cheaper.
Right.
And so
that wouldn't bother me.
Well,
all rooms look the same when you're asleep.
Right. Well, here's the thing. She's excited until she finds out it's an interior room. Then she's all bent out of shape because I want a pie.
You know what those are?
They're what about, for a short cruise, about $7,000-8,000.
We stayed in one for our honeymoon.
Oh, did you?
But we lucked into it.
Yeah.
We got upgraded because they had changed
They
had changed when the boat was going to leave, and we just lucked into it. God, it was awesome.
Yeah.
Huge room.
Wow.
And it had a walkout, balcony.
Oh my God.
It was pretty incredible. It was up high too.
Up high, yeah.
You were going to jump over the side.
Right. Good view. Was it pretty steep?
Yeah.
The only thing is, I can't go on a cruise because I'm so extremely prone to motion sickness. I just couldn't chance.
You know what's funny? For weeks after I got back from that cruise, I've been on two of them.
Okay.
But both of them, especially the first one, I had a little bit of this where you would rock around.
Yeah, your land legs were better.
Yeah, and it took weeks to get them back.
Wow, this is
It was only occasionally. It wasn't anything that really bugged you, but it was something you definitely noticed.
Technically, you didn't hit your land footing back then.
We're only 2 minutes into this ride. This is still like 3-minute ride.
Yeah.
I'm timing it.
Okay. It's still not that bad.
I'll tell you what, my freaking hand's getting cold.
Yeah, it's cooling down.
Mm-hmm.
No, the proneness I have to that is so acute. It's just the reason why I know. If you ever been, did I tell you this? Have been top of one of those buildings where it's a circular restaurant that turns?
Oh, where's that?
Well, there's one at the Twin Bridges, Marion, Rosslyn, Virginia, just across from D.C.
There's one in Tampa too.
Yeah. Well, what it was, I was in a part of a wedding party. A buddy of mine got married, and it's the Marion there at the top. So everybody was supposed to meet and hang there, after late that evening after kind of the reception. This was like the post-reception get-together, just to hang out, And being my date, I actually, how slow those things turn. I mean, extremely slow. But just that was making me ill.
Really?
I had to get off it. I was queasy after getting off it.
Wow.
For a while. Just
That's
that
crazy.
slight, I know. And that real slow movement with a ship just, does me in completely. So on like a trip, like a wedding trip or something, if I ever went on, I'd have to just say, "Great, we'll fly." But I'm sorry, we can't do it by boat, But I've never been on a cruise, so I can't say for sure. But I'm just figuring, even on day trips on a small tour boat, I turn green, so.